Okay. All right, stay in your chair and we'll give you the seeds as soon as Mimi gets another one done. Today, we're going to show you how to use all your leftover peanut butter. And you just put it all on your cone. And what we're doing is we're playing around. So we got our scrubby clothes on today. And we're making food for the birds for the winter. Because snow is coming. It's hunting season. And
Hi. Yes.
yes, it is. Yes, you say hi to the camera, huh?
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. There you go. And say we're going to feed the birds, right?
Pizza box.
Yes, so we're putting peanut butter on the cones. Tell them, we're putting peanut butter on the cones.
Panda.
Butter on the cones, right? So, we just dress it all up. Get up on the chair so you can put the seeds on. No, you don't want to see the camera. You want to see the seeds.
Oh.
Oh, she went on the other chair so she could see what it's doing. Now come over here to the seeds so we can show the people how to put the seeds on your peanut butter.
Mimi.
Huh? Yeah, okay, so come so you can show them that you're going to put some seeds on.
Okay, so
Come over here so you can show them that you're going to put some seeds on your pine cone.
let's heat.
Yeah, she's going to put seeds, okay. But you're going to come over here. They want to see you put the seeds on. Come on this chair.
Cute.
Hurry up, come on this chair so they can see. I think she's fascinated more with the camera and seeing what the camera is showing. Okay, do your work. Okay, Mimi rolls it around. Oh, we get some. Oh, and she's been eating some seeds, eating some peanut butter. Did you show them what your lollipop has? Push it down. Yeah, nice little pat. There we go. Nice little pat, because we want a lot of seeds, right? Because you're feeding the birdies, right? Can we shake it? Are you eating seeds? Shake it. Then we lay it on here and we do another one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you show them what you did with your lollipop? Yeah. Oh, she's interested in the camera. Uh-huh. What are you going to do when it's time for another one?
So camera.
Yeah, on the camera you can see what it's showing, huh? It's got the table with all the pine cones. And you let it dry really good and hard. That's why you do it before winter comes. So that the seeds can all dry and the peanut butter can harden. That way when you put it out for the birds, it'll last longer. Don't touch the camera, dear. Yeah, it's kind of cool, huh?
What's that one?
Okay, now you gotta come back to the next chair. Come back to your chair. Mimi's ready for another one to have seeds.
Good night.
It's not good night. It's just goodbye and go to the other seat so you can put your seeds on.
Seed.
Yeah, you put seeds on. And see, it's good to do that with all the little ones too. So remember that once it dries and it hardens, when it is time to put it outside, that you also involve the little ones with it. Okay, pick up the seeds and just throw it on there. And then we pat it nice, right? Nice and easy. Yeah. So when they do dry, you know, give it a good week or so to dry. Because you need the peanut butter to really harden, and it does harden pretty fast. That way it's going to hold the seeds and everything. And then you can put them in the favorite spots where you'll be able to watch the birdies. She's hurrying up and going right back there. So, and a good way to dry some of these when you pick them up in the woods, because you know it's kind of gummy and everything, is put some tin foil on a cookie sheet and then put them on the cookie sheet and just put your oven on warm. And then all the gum will just absorb inside the cone and everything. And then once it absorbs inside the cone, then you can turn around and use it for all of this. Okay, you ready to go back on your other chair so you can give him some food again. Put some seeds on the next one. Minnie's got this one ready. I'm going too fast?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going too fast for the poor little girl. I don't know if you watch some of my other videos and stuff, but Kara's my little pepperoni girl. So if you want to check out Little Pepperoni Girl Falls Asleep, that's a really cool video. She wanted pepperonis. She loves pepperonis. And she just fell asleep. Okay. We only have a few more to go. You eat it. Oh, don't eat that. It's got some pine needles in it. Yeah. Pat it. Yes, we pat it down. Real nice. So let the little ones, I mean, she's only 2.5. And it's good for the little ones to see this part of the process and to see the other part. So you use your leftovers. You know, sometimes people don't close the jar right or whatever on your peanut butter. And then you can use it like this. Okay. So, oh, look at this. She's even giving me another one. There you go. Good girl. You're being a big helper, huh? Yeah, you're being
help. Help Mimi.
Yes. All right. Now she's telling all the camera that she helps Mimi. And you do. Good girl. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah. This way here, Mama will be able to see the video and see you help, huh?
I want Mommy home. I'm going to pet shop.
Yeah. Mommy's at home with Kenna, huh?
Kenna, Mama.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready to get back to your other chair?
Yeah.
So you can put the seeds on this one?
Yes.
All right. There you go, my dear. Go ahead. She's such a beautiful little helper.
Papa?
Yep, that's a helper. When you help somebody, you're called a helper. So you're my little helper. Because you helped me to get the food ready for the little birdies. Because Kara likes to watch the little birdies, huh, from the window.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know. You like eating the peanut butter, too. Peanut butter's good, huh? Just don't get no seeds with your peanut butter. There. She's going to make a good cook, too, because she's going to eat most of it. As you go. Yeah, you want to see again? Oh, she's going right back to the chair to see how good the camera's doing. Okay. And a helper does what? Give me another one. Good girl. Yeah. We're almost done. We only got one more baby left, huh?
Baby black.
Yes, one baby, one left. And that we'll probably put in the other bird feeder. We have a special spot for this one. So you'll have to stay tuned and watch some of my videos here on View With Me. Oh, did you move the camera, honey?
Yes.
Oh, don't do that. Because then they won't see all the work you're doing and how much of a helper you are. Okay, you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, go on the other chair. And we're going to be ready. Hopefully you guys are still somewhat focused in. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room to play. Okay, here we go. You're gonna steal from everyone, huh? Gotta try each one before the birdies do? Yes, you pat it nicely. There you go.
Okay.
Yep, okay.
Me too.
Okay, we only have one more to go. Just one more. The last one from the basket.
Yuck, yuck.
Yeah, getting all the yuck yucks out. Those are pine needles, honey. Okay, let's go. People waiting for you. Okay, people on the camera's waiting. So now you have to tell them it's the last one. Tell them. Tell them it's the last cone.
Everyone time
we'll have to go in the woods and pick some more, but we have to wait for a Sunday. Because remember, it's hunting season. You can't go out unless it's Sunday to get your cones in the woods now that it's hunting season. So be safe, everybody out there. Yeah, okay. Get back in your other chair so you can put the seeds on the last one. Let's go. Up to it. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at that. Mimi got all the way down to the bottom of the peanut butter bowl. Wow, that worked out pretty good. Okay. Oh, you gotta have a little piece first? Okay. Gotta have a little bit of the peanut butter. Yeah. Don't eat the seeds, okay? That's for birdies. You eat like a little birdie? You do, huh? Okay. All right. Now say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
There you go. Good girl. Bye-bye, folks. Be sure to sub me on my View With Me channel and stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.